Simplifying fractions. How do we do it? Let's take a look. So before we talk about simplifying, there's a little trick we can do with fractions. What we can do is multiply or divide the top and the bottom by the same number, and we actually still get the same fraction. Let me show you. If I divide the top here by 2 and the bottom by 2, I get this fraction, 8/20. The numbers are different, the fraction looks different, but it's actually the same number. These are equal. Let's do that again. 8 and 20. What if I divide the top and bottom by 4? Divide that by 4. Divide that by 4. I get 2 on the top and 5 on the bottom. Once again, it looks different, but these fractions are actually equal. They are the same. I can also multiply it if I like. Let's try that. If I multiply the top by 3 and I multiply the bottom by 3, I get 6 on the top and 15 on the bottom. Once again, it looks different, but it actually is the same fraction. These fractions are what we call equivalent fractions. And you can do this trick whenever you can or whenever it is possible. Just remember that that trick only works for dividing and multiplying. It doesn't work for adding and subtracting. So what about simplifying fractions? Which of these do you think is the most simplest? Well, the answer is this one here. 2/5. 2 and 5 have actually no common factors. Nothing more can be cancelled. 2/5 here is the most simplified fraction of 16/40. Let's take a look at a few examples. First one, 12/18. How can we simplify that? Well, they're both even numbers. They can be halved. Can we do more? Yes, the top and the bottom, 12 and 18, they're both actually divisible by 6. So, dividing 12 by 6, I get 2. Dividing 18 by 6, I get 3. So the answer for this one, I'm going to go downwards, 2/3. You can go sideways, but in mathematics, we start doing our work downwards as we get into more and more difficult stuff. So the answer, 2/3. Second one, 7/28. Can that be simplified? Well, the top number 7, that doesn't have any factors. 28. 28 is 7 times 4. So we can divide the top and bottom by 7. 7 divides into 7 only once. 7 goes into 28 4 times. So this fraction is going to simplify to 1/4, or 1/4. And the third one over here, 90/150. That's pretty big. There's a little trick we can do here with these zeros on the end. Cross up a 0 on the top, cross up a 0 on the bottom. That actually becomes 9/15. So what exactly was that trick I did? I divided the top and the bottom by 10. Okay, there we go, simplifying fractions. Oi, wait, you're not done yet. When simplifying fractions, you need to fully simplify them. Oh, it's not done? Oh, actually, 9 and 15. They're both divisible by 3, aren't they? Oops, I forgot. Divide 9 by 3, we get 3. Divide 15 by 3, we get 5. That was not fully simplified, was it? So the final answer, 3/5, or 3/5. There we go. Do you feel like a little practice by yourself? Try example 2. Are you able to simplify these 3 fractions? Feel free to put your answers in the comments, and thanks for watching.